this experiment, the things you need are 2 eggs, vinegar, color, and 2 plastic jars. Vinegar is going to play a key role in this experiment. Take plastic jar, open it and pour vinegar into it. Now put egg into the vinegar and cover it. Take another jar, pour vinegar into the jar and again put egg into it. It's boring without any color, so let's add color into it. Mixing of color in vinegar is like an art, and it's really good to see. Don't forget to cover it. You can see air bubbles on the surface of the egg. These are the bubbles of carbon dioxide, CO2 gas. The reaction taking place here is an acid-base reaction. Calcium carbonate of eggshell reacts with the acetic acid in vinegar and produces calcium acetate, carbon dioxide and water. Wait for 48 hours. After 48 hours, almost 98% hard shell of the egg is dissolved. Get the egg out of the jar. You can observe that the egg gets larger as it sits in the vinegar. This is because the eggshell dissolves and leaves a soft, bendable, squeezable rubber egg. Next, get the colored egg out of the jar. It is also larger than its size before. Now take water in a bowl to rinse the eggs. Gently rub the egg to remove remains of the calcium carbonate on the egg. Rinse and clean the eggs. The rubber egg is ready. Well, in general, you can't see through a regular raw egg. But when you put this naked egg up to a flashlight, you can see through it. You can even see the yolk rolling around inside. Gently bounce the egg. Here is the ping pong egg. Oops, it gets messy. For more interesting experiments like this, subscribe to our channel.